You're Mr. Markangel.
Yes, sir.
And I believe you've read through the requirement for this job.
Yes, sir.
And you know that the basic salary is 200,000 naira.
So I see it in the website.
With an instant allowance of 100,000 naira once you start this job.
Oh, thank you, sir. God will bless you, sir.
Mr. Markangel,
Auntie?
hope you are aware that this job is for the position of a manager.
What of CEO? It's like if people don't have that one. Okay, I will manage manager.
I hope you know that you must have a good working experience.
Working experience? Sir, if it's for experience, I have plenty experience in life. Ma, I have suffered. I have suffered in this life. I don't want to. Just give me this job first.
Mr. Markangel, you'll be working 3 times a week.
3 times a week?
Yes.
For 200,000 naira?
Yes.
Ha. No, sir, no.
Mr. Markangel, the job description says 3 times a week.
For 200,000 naira? I'll work every day. I'll be coming here every day and be working.
Mr. Markangel, the job description says 3 times a week.
Sir? Yo, do you work 3 times a week?
No, I work twice a week.
Hey! He works twice a week. And you people employ him. You people are employing lazy people. Don't worry. Just employ me. I will sack him. For you.
Listen, Mr. Markangel, you're working 3 times a week.
Auntie, I'll work every day of the week. I'll be coming here every day and
3 times a week.
Okay.
And mind you, this job requires someone who is hardworking and responsible.
Sir, if it's for hardworking and responsible, it's me. Sir, see, since last month I have worked in 5 places. 5 companies. And see, every company that I have worked, anything that happened in that company, they say I'm responsible for it. What you will be hearing is, Markangel is responsible for this, Markangel is responsible for that. There was a time that the company wanted to food safe. They say Markangel is responsible for this, Markangel is responsible. I'm a responsible person.
This guy is a lunatic.
Lunatic? Ha! How do you people know that I'm lunatic? Everywhere that I go for interview, they used to say that I'm lunatic. But I did not study that one in school. Oh. It's like lunatic is my calling. Don't worry, see, let us not do manager again. If people will have lunatic side, let me be working there. I will be doing lunatic manager. How much do you people pay lunatic here?
Hello? Security. To the office now. Thank you.
Hey! Just like that. Just like that. I'm starting today. Hey! This is a miracle. This lunatic is working for me. And I did not even study it in school. That's why I used to tell people, follow your gift. Your gift will make a way for you. God bless you, sir. God bless you. God will reward you for this. God will reward you for this.
Security, show him the exit.
Is it in the exit that lunatic used to?
Please,
Just join them. Join them.
I will be working in the exit. Thank you. God bless you, sir. I will make you proud, sir. I'm touched. I will make you proud. See, anything that happened in this company, I'll be responsible for it. I'll be responsible for anything that happened. Just trust me. God bless you. Sir, I'll be working every day. Don't worry, I'll be working every day.
Just join them.
Sir, I will make you proud. I will sack this one. He's too lazy. Thank you. Sir, I promise. I'll make you proud. I'll make you proud. Please come and show me exit. Let me start work. So, it is the exit now that we are going to. That is where my office is.
Hey! I knew something was wrong.
Is anything the matter?
Uncle Mark, don't lose dream.
Why? Please, is the exit far from here? What are you doing? Leave me alone! Give me alone! I will send you! I will send you people now! Chineke! No! Chineke, look at this boy, so. What are you people? I will sack both of you! I'm exit manager! Hey! Hey! I'm the exit manager!
Mr. Mark,
Hmm?
you've been hired and you'll be working as the company's errand boy.
And I hope it's something you can handle very, very well.
I think I tell you that I don't like this man's face.
Will, shut up there. What has my face got to do with this? You better be guided.
As I was saying, you've been hired and you'll be working as the company's errand boy.
Brother, do you people have lunatic manager here? Because it's lunatic manager that I apply for. Let me be doing that one.
Will, shut up and go and resume work. What sort of rubbish is that? Can you imagine?
It's okay. Mr. Mark, please just resume, okay? Start immediately.
Can you imagine?
Just go.
Sir, you call for me.
Yes, Mr. Markangel, that's true. Inside here is 5 million naira. And I want you to deposit it in our account. Here are the details, alright? And then you can go home from there.
I should put the money in this account.
Yes, in this account.
5 million.
Yes.
I will put it.
Okay. Mr. Mark, yesterday I gave you 5 million naira to deposit in the company's account. Up until now, there is no credit alert. We've called the bank and there's no confirmation of any deposit in that account. What happened to our money, Mark?
Mr. Man, what happened to the money? Tell us what happened to that money. Because we're not joking with you here.
Talk now.
I think you have seen him now. I tell you that I don't like this man's face.
My friend, will you shut up and tell us what happened to the money?
Where is the money?
What happened to the money?
Okay, is that why you go and call Olokpa? And call everybody here? Okay, I didn't mean I wanted to carry that money and run. I would not have come work now. Is it not me that carry my leg and come
My friend,
work?
shut up. Tell us what happened to the money.
Where is the money? What is this?
Okay, see, I tell you that I have sense. I have sense. As you employ me in this company, you think it's just anyhow person that you employ. I'm a Igbo man. See, that time that you gave me that money, that I should go bank side and go and here, put it. And now, as I was now going, and I met one man in the road. And I said, "Excuse me, brother.
Please, is there any way I can change some dollars? You know these people like Aboki bury the change. Is there any way I can do that here?
Why are you asking me?
I just came into this country and I have like $1 million here with me.
You have $1 million?
Yeah, sure, I have $1 million here.
That is a lie.
I have $1 million here. They are all in cash. I need somewhere to change it.
Hey!
What is it?
No, nothing. No.
Please, is there any way I can change it around here?
It's like you're new here.
Yeah, I just came in today.
Excuse me. Hello? Aboki? See, if I give you $1 million in dollar, how much will you give me in naira? 1 million. 500 million naira. 500 million. I will call you back. See, this $1 million you have now, it's not big money here. Oh. In this country now, you know things are hard in this country. It's like it have been long you travel out. This $1 million now is just 5 million naira. And I have 5 million naira here. So if you want to change it, yeah, maybe read the change. I used to carry my own money up and down. That time you are asking me. I just say let me know whether you have the money.
It's not up to.
It's not up to what? Be there and carry it. They will just cheat you. If you go to other aboki, they will just give you 4 million naira. But me, I have 5 million naira here. If you just give me now, I will give you this 5 million naira.
But 5 million naira is.
Is this thing? Are you doing or not? This $1 million now is not even big money here. If you change it
But
here,
this is 1 million.
yeah, it's like you don't want. Yeah, I'll be going.
Okay. No problem.
See, if you go to other aboki now, they will give you 4 million naira. But me, I want to give you 5 million naira. You don't want to
But
accept.
the equivalent is.
No, it is 4 million naira. But me, I will give you 5 million naira. You don't want.
All right, no problem. Let me see your cash. Let me confirm your money.
If you go to other aboki now, other aboki will give you 4 million naira. But me, I'm adding 1 million naira for you, Esther.
All right, thank you very much.
It's nice doing business with you. See, don't work out anyhow. If you work out anyhow, they will thief this money from you. Just be going in here.
All right, no problem. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Nice doing business with you.
Hey.
So that's how I get the $1 million.
Wow, that's good.
$1 million.
Wow.
That's huge money. Oh.
I tell you people, this red cap on my head is not for fancy. I'm a Igbo man.
I never knew he was this smart.
I have sense well.
Mr. Mark, you mean to tell us that we have $1 million here now?
$1 million. I have counted in my house is complete.
And that's like 500 million naira. Oh.
Wow, this guy.
Wow,
This is smart.
See, me, I don't like cheating.
all right.
Why I bring this money and come here is so that we can share it.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank God that you people even bring Olokpa. At least we will share the money. Nobody will cheat anybody. But before we share it, we are going to remove company money.
Yes.
Yes.
That's true.
When we remove company money, we will now share the rest. Then you people are now going to give me big share because it's me that bring the money.
No problem.
Mr.
But-
Mark.
We will not give him.
But why now?
I don't like his face.
Come on. There's nothing on my face.
It's alright. We will give him 100,000 naira.
100.
Mr. Mark.
Shit, so we will not give her anything.
Me?
Yes.
Why? What did I do?
Is it not you that is dragging caretakership with me in caretaker series?
Now. That is in caretaker series now. In Markangel's TV, not even this channel. Why are you bringing compound issues to the office? That's not fair.
It's not fair now.
Is that right? We'll give her 500,000 naira.
Hey.
Mr. Mark, take it easy.
I hope you give me my own.
Hey, you that went and called police for me in one episode like that. Because I bought fufu from her hand and I forget to give her money. She now went and called police.
Mr. Mark.
We'll give her 500,000 naira.
Another.
It's me and manager that will share this money big.
Okay, fine. Mr. Mark, to err is human and to forgive is
Divine.
Sir, with your permission, can I,
Please,
Okay. Oh my.
See, I think now that man now went to Aboki. Aboki will have given 500 million. We will have now lose this opportunity now that I now bring to the company. You see this money now? From now on, I will be making money for the company.
Is something wrong?
Excuse me, sir. Mark, how much did you say that man gave to you again?
Are you deaf? $1 million. I count it.
1 million.
I think you have seen him now. I know that he is the person that will bring argument now in this thing.
Sir, please have a look.
Always bringing trouble in something that person is doing.
Mark,
Hey.
what did you say is inside here?
$1 million.
Oh God.
Mark, is it $1 million? dollar or 1 million Zimbabwe dollar? Eh?
Is it not the same thing?
It's not the same thing, no.
Imagine.
Because 1 million Zimbabwe dollars is just 1.1 million
Oh my
naira.
You see?
And you give the person 5 million naira.
Hi, God, Mark, you have made this company lose 3.9 million naira. All because of your stupidness.
Mark, you mean you gave somebody the company's 5 million naira in exchange for 1 million Zimbabwe dollars? Mark?
It's dollar now.
Shut up there. Igbo man indeed. This is Zimbabwe dollar and not the US dollars. What is wrong with you?
And you're claiming Igbo man sharing money that does not exist.
Can you imagine?
Sorry, if Zimbabwe is the problem, can we remove Zimbabwe and put US?
Can you imagine? This man, you are a lunatic.
Exactly.
Did you hear me? You are a lunatic.
How did you know? Thank you. So I think you have seen it. I tell you that time that you employ me. I tell you that it's lunatic that I used to do. That is not this bank in here that I used to do. It's lunatic that used to work for me. And I did not even study it in school. It's just working for me. Is there a problem? Officer! 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 Let them remove the Zimbabwe and put US! Officer! Officer!